Welcome to Love Lab, the place where we break love, sex, and relationships down into clear, practical, no-fluff truths for modern men. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right in the bedroom but still can't quite get her to climax, or things just drag on without going anywhere, this video is for you. Because in just a few minutes, I'm going to share 5 powerful techniques that won't just make sex hotter, they'll help her reach orgasm faster, sometimes in half the time, or even just a couple of minutes. And no, this isn't clickbait or cheap gimmicks. These are real, proven methods based on what women actually want. The best part? You can start using them tonight. If you want to see her melt in your arms, beg for more, and look at you like you're a sex god, keep watching. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications. At Love Lab, we drop new videos every week to help you understand women better, connect deeper, and become more confident and powerful man in love and in the bedroom. Let's get into it. Trick number 1, the speed booster. Let's be real. You can be amazing with your hands, your mouth, and every move in the book, but even the best lover has limits. If she's taking a long time or struggling to get there, a vibrator can change everything. Around 80% of women need clitoral stimulation to orgasm, and no matter how good you are, a vibrator can give her the kind of focused stimulation that's almost impossible to deliver manually. Plus, it frees up your hands for other things she'll love. Here's the real kicker. Once she has that first orgasm, her body becomes way more sensitive, which means the second, third, and fourth can come much quicker with way less effort. And no, this isn't a replacement, it's your secret weapon. Trick number 2, lead the experience. For a woman to fully enjoy sex, she needs to let go. Mentally, emotionally, physically, she needs to stop thinking, stop planning, and just be in the moment. And that only happens when you take the lead. Leading doesn't mean being controlling. It means having a vision, setting the tone, and confidently guiding the experience. Maybe you press her gently against the wall and kiss her neck. Then you pause, look into her eyes, and kiss her again. You slowly undress her, or tell her to do it. You're in control of the rhythm, the story, the energy. She doesn't have to think. She just surrenders and enjoys the ride. Trick number 3, praise her. Here's something most guys don't realize. During sex, a lot of women are stuck in their heads. Do I look good right now? Can he see that little belly roll? Does he even want me? Do I smell okay? Is he thinking about someone else? That inner dialogue keeps her from relaxing, which makes it almost impossible for her to fully enjoy the moment, let alone climax. But praise changes everything. Tell her she's beautiful. Tell her how amazing she smells. Tell her how good it feels to be inside her, how soft her skin is, how sexy she looks when she moans. When she feels truly desired, her confidence rises, her mind quiets, and her body becomes more open to pleasure. That's when the magic happens. Trick number 4, use eye contact. Want to instantly deepen the intimacy and increase her pleasure? Look into her eyes. Eye contact is one of the most underused but powerful tools in the bedroom. It tells her you're fully present, fully into her, and completely tuned into the moment. And no, you don't need to stare like a maniac, but during key moments, right after a kiss, while you're inside her or while you're touching her, stop, look into her eyes, and say something sexy. That moment of connection can make her heart race and her body respond in ways you've never seen. Trick number 5, stop trying to make her orgasm. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But let me ask you something. Ever notice how people tend to like you more when you're not trying so hard to impress them? Or how you're funnier and more relaxed when you're not overthinking everything? The same applies in the bedroom. The more pressure you put on yourself or on her to reach climax, the harder it gets for both of you to enjoy what's happening.
So stop obsessing over the finish line. Here's what you need to know. A woman doesn't need to orgasm to enjoy sex. As long as she feels safe, wanted, and fully pleasured, she's going to have a great time. And when you stop obsessing over the finish line, you'll relax, you'll be more present, your energy will shift. And ironically, that's when she'll climax, faster and more naturally than ever before. If you apply these 5 tips, you'll create deeper connection, more passionate sex, and more orgasms without pressure or performance anxiety. And if you want more real, raw, no BS advice on love, sex, and how to become the kind of man women crave, make sure to subscribe to Love Lab. We drop new content every week to help you grow, connect, and lead with confidence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.